and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva DIY. Today I'm bringing you back another fall dollar store DIY, and I will be creating one, and I will be using these sunflower bush bouquets that I had picked up at Dollarama for $1.50. For those of you that do not know me and are first time stopping by, I am located in Ontario, Canada, and one of our more popular dollar stores is Dollarama. We only have in my town 2 Dollar Trees, and they're not super great, nothing comparing to the ones in US, so we tend to shop at Dollarama for a lot of our DIY supplies. So I had picked up 10 of these in hopes that I have enough to create two. I will be creating 2 pumpkins, so I'm hoping that I have enough for 2. And I also cut up a branch from my garden for the stems of the pumpkins. And you will be needing some hot glue and something to cut your branches with. I'm pretty sure I can just pop these off. Yep, by pulling, so that's what I'll be doing. Maybe I will be using some wire cutters just to cut the tips so they sit nicer on the styrofoam balls, which are these that I picked up as well at Dollarama for $1.50 for one and $1.50 for the 2 smaller ones. I also want to mention that this video is part of a challenge that is hosted by actually Ali, and her co-host is Brittany Allen Crafts. I will have both of these ladies' channels linked down below, as well as the playlist for this challenge. And they had asked us to create a DIY using 1 to 3 DIYs using sunflowers. So that is what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove as many flowers as I think that I will need to cover the large one. Those of you stopping by my channel for the first time, like I said, my name is Sonia and this is my DIY channel. I also have 2 other channels, cooking and home channel, where on my home channel I do home decor, clean with me's, and shopping hauls for home. So if you want to see how I display most of the DIYs that I create on this channel, make sure you head on over to my home channel and you can see some of my home tours that I posted. I did the Christmas in July, so I have my Christmas home tour there from last year, just to give you an idea what I'm all about. Those 2 channels are fairly new. So, and they used to be all one channel, but with the YouTube algorithms and all, it's best for me to have them separated if I want to share all the content, which I do. Okay, so I'm just going to try and see how hard it is to push these. Actually, they kind of bounce back, so I will be trimming these a little bit, just so they're easier to glue. So let me try now. Okay, so that worked. But first I'm going to trim off an end for my stem, and I'm just going to make a little angle just so I can shove it in easier. There we go. And now I'm gonna go glue these all around. going to put them fairly close to each other. So just to show you. So I'm going to follow this all around. I'm just going to cut up some more. Okay, so here is the pumpkin. I'm just thinking I might do like a little leaf coming out on a side, but I do have enough to make a smaller one, so I'm gonna do the same process for the small one, but I'm not gonna take you along with me while so I think I'm gonna add these leaves, but this one's a little bit too big for the little one. So I'm just trying to figure out if I can cut it, make it a little smaller. Better. Just gonna make a little point to it. So I'm gonna just glue it on like so. So this is the small one, and then this is the bigger one, and I'm going to show you what they look, how I'm going to use them to decorate for fall. I also want to mention that to create it, I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 through 8 of them to create the one big one, one small one. I had one left over. I will be keeping these leaves for other projects. So here they are. I think they look so cute. And I think they're gonna be a great addition to my fall decor, adding that punch of color. I'd like to thank the hostesses for hosting this challenge, and make sure you check out both of their channels, which will be linked down below, as well as the playlist. And like I said before, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell. I have so much fall DIY coming your way for next month and a half, so you don't want to miss it. And those of you returning, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.